you finish making the game, now Sarju's gonna explain you how to play the game.
It's a detective game. The whole game bases on to finding the killer, the room, and the weapon. Get clues to find each of the persons in the rooms and weapons. So the whole game is based on these cards. So before you shuffle the cards and give it to every person, you take one card from each of the sections, but you can't know what the card that you're taking. Now I'm going to show you what you need to do. So what you need to do, just take one of these cards from each section and keep it away from everyone's sight. Then you take all the cards and start shuffling. After you take all the cards and start shuffling, now all you need to do is shuffle. Then just imagine there's 3 more persons for me. So I keep one for me, one for them, one for them, and just pass like normal cards.
So Sarju is showing you a game where 4 people are playing. So what he has done so far is from each of the category, he took one card without knowing which one he took and put it aside over there. And then what he has done is taken all the cards and shuffled them, and then just given out equally between each player. So there are one player there, one player here, one player here, and one player here. So now he's gonna show you what to do next.
You have shuffled the cards and share the cards not equally. Some persons will get extra cards. So after you get your cards, now you take the sheet and you flip it over, and you can see showed here. Now after showed cards to me, you write in this blank space what you have. Writing all your cards and stuff, now you can start playing. So what you need is some characters. You can make some characters, or even get it from like the other board games that you have. And so when you have your characters, just put it here. So after you put your characters, what you need to do is roll the dice. So if I'm green, I got 6. So I want to go from here to there. So I just count 6 and go inside. And when I stand here, in the room, you get the chance to ask who the murderer is, the weapon, and the room. But you have to use the same room that you're in. So because I'm in hall, I say I write in the room section of the hall. Then the weapon, and don't write the room that you have, and don't go inside the room that you have. Then the chance will be wasted. But if you want, you can go to the same room and use the same weapon and stuff. But in this part, you want to find who the murderer is and the weapon, and the room. So I say the weapon is like rope, and the murderer is. And the murderer, I'm going to write white.
So what Sarjuk's writing, everyone has to write, but in who is asking, Sarjuk has to write me or Sarjuk, and the others have to write Sarjuk. So this sheet is for everyone. This is like the clue or detective sheet.
So if someone else has this weapon
So,
or rope
for
or
example,
hall.
if I'm playing with Saljuk and I have either hall, rope, or white, I have to show him. So, first he asks who needs to show, and then he writes down in the showing area. So, he writes down the names in the showing area. So, for example, he's gonna write Mahasin. So, if I have hall in my section, I show it to him and he takes note of that in the other side.
So you write in the short card to me. So she showed me hall.
So basically you need to finish writing, you need to like find more and more, and you need to get more clues from other people, and then at the end you can take a guess. So basically you can take two or three guesses, and but you can take guesses, but if you see the actual card and you know who it is, your game is over and the other people can continue to play. So this is Cluedo. So the winner of this game will be the one who finds the correct Madra, the correct weapon, and the correct room. So Sarjak's gonna quickly show you the room, the weapon, and the Madra that he chose in his game.
So the room and weapon that came for me is Mrs. Plum, Launch, and Candy.
So in Sarjak's game, this is what he had to find, but because we cannot show the entire game, we just showed you the people. So yeah.
So I hope you enjoyed this game, and don't forget to try this at home, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment that below. Bye guys!
So guys, we hope that you found this game useful, and do try making this at home, and this would be a fun game to play with your friends, cousins, siblings, or even parents. So do try this at home, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on our video. We'll see you in another video. Until then, it's bye from me, Mahasin, and
Bye from me, Salrid.